Hi, friends. Come along with me to Target so we can see the spring home decor. Okay, some cute stuff. I love this basket. And I'm loving the yellow. So pretty. This one's a pretty pillow, very soft and pretty big. This one's pretty with the pattern. That would look nice together. All right, this is a very pretty rug. I love the colors. I love the pink, the blue, the mustard. Okay, who doesn't like a nice, cute basket? This basket's really nice. This one's from Opal House. It has cute little legs in the bottom, like little feet. Really cute basket. All right, this is a cute side table, or you can do a planter. I would put a planter in the bottom and a plant on the top. Really cute. All right, let's check out these blue pillows. Very pretty. It's a pretty a greenish color. That one too. It's a pretty green. This white one is very, very pretty. I want to show you guys the detail. I love white. All right, this is a nice blanket ladder. I just love it. Or towels. You can put it in the bathroom. Nice ladder. All right, let's check out this. This is all Opal House, I believe. Okay, very pretty pillows. I love this green. Of course, I like the white. And I love the tassel. Okay, look how cute this is. Was it a puff? Such pretty colors. This is a nice pillow. This one has these really pretty colors, that blue and that pink. Another white pillow, which I love. I love the detail. Okay, look how pretty these vases are. I just can't. This is too pretty. Just love them. I love this one. This is my favorite. That one. This is how they all look together. That's why I showed you the picture. So pretty. All right, beautiful gold bookends. I love these flowers. Would be pretty for Valentine's too. All right, I love these candle holders. They're so pretty. This is cute. This little potted plant. Okay, this are little hooks. Really pretty, even for a little girl's room. All right, more baskets. They had so many baskets, I guess, for organizing. It's the time of year. Pretty pillows. I like the blue and the yellow together. All right, I love this blanket. And this blanket looks so pretty with the pillow and that poof, I guess. That's how they call it. So pretty. All right, I found this pretty planter. I love this. Put plants on the top, on the bottom. Beautiful colored blankets. More baskets. That one's pretty too, that blue with the blue stripe. All right, these baskets are too cute. I would even take the flower out and put a real plant in there. All right, more blankets. That blue is very pretty. This is cute, this hanging plant. I would actually take that plant and put something else, I think, in there, but it's really cute. I just love the woven baskets. All right, that basket's cute with the yellow. All right, I want to show you this. This is so pretty. It's flowers, paper flowers in there. So pretty. All right, and look how cute this. I want to show you this right here. It's a planter, but it's shaped like a watering can. It's so cute. All right, this is pretty too with the tulips. Okay, I will turn that into a vase. I'm going to show you later. All right, so I found another planter, which I love. That's Opal House too. I'm really loving Opal House lately. Okay, look how cute this stool is. This is Threshold. Cute little stool. I think it comes in two sizes, a little tall and shorter. Okay, how pretty is this screen? I just love it. So pretty. I love, like, on the top how it's scalloped. All right, I found this little side table. I am loving this. I'm thinking of buying that one. All right, and look how cute these baskets. I love these baskets. I would use these as maybe garbage cans too. All right, I love this light. It's so pretty. Okay, now this is a mug rack. Look how pretty it is. Just love it. It has little gold um, pegs. This is a nice dough bowl. Okay, I love this. This is a magazine rack, or you could even put logs, I thought. I don't know what else I could put in there. Give me some good ideas, but I love that. All right, found this table. This would be good for a plant stand too. Very pretty. All right, this is what I did. I envisioned this. I really love this. I didn't buy it, but I want to go back and buy it. So I envisioned this, as a vase. It looks really pretty for spring. All right, some more white vases, which I love. It's like pottery. This is pretty too. This picture. All right, I had to put a flower in there. Okay, and I found this. This is really, I just love it. It's perfect for storage. It's so cute. I can put pillows in there, blankets. All right, more baskets. A lot of baskets my Target had. It's a cute pillow. It's a nice color, the mauvey color. Cute little stool. All right, I love this. I love the baskets. I don't know, I have a thing for baskets now. That's a pretty vase for spring. This is really cute. I love those. You put them in your bookcase, on a table, a side table. Pretty plant. Okay, I love this big fiddle leaf tree. It's pretty big. All right, look how cute these they're like bud vases. I didn't know what they were at first. That's why I looked in the bottom. So they were bud vases. Really cute. And then they had a pitcher. I love lemons for the summer. Lemon decor. All right, this is a nice planter too. That's what I want to show you guys. Look at this planter. It's like a three, planter in one. That's a nice magazine rack. I actually have that. Some more plants. And I love the cactus in that basket. All right, some blue vases in white. Really pretty. That one's like the yellow one, but in blue. More flowers and plants. So pretty in little vases. These are perfect for, your coffee table, bookcases. Very easy to decorate with. All right, more vases. That's very pretty, this white vase. The shape. It's up there too. They have like some stems. I like these green ones. The yellows are so pretty. A lot of goodies in Target, guys. More flowers. Okay, this is pretty. I like this. I'm showing you a lot of plants because that's what I'm loving. This lemon tree is so cute. It looks pretty real. And I like that they have like the dirt and it makes it look so real. All right, more woven baskets and vases. Some plates. Bowls. That's pretty, that one. The pink is pretty too. I like that one too. All right, my eye caught this chair. I want to share it with you. It's a pretty solid chair. I just love it. These two wreaths are nice. I'm thinking of buying them. They're not too big, and I love, it's like, good quality. Okay, and I found another side table. Okay, this chair is really nice. A lot of furniture, and so is this chair really nice. Just the way it's made, it's very different. So, cute accent chairs. All right, so I'm going to show you, there's Trixie, what I picked up from Target. So I think this looks really cute over here. It's by my door for spring. So I got this fiddle leaf tree. I think it's really cute. This is from Opal House. I just love it. And then I picked up this basket from Target. They had a bigger size, but this is the smaller version. I think this looks really cute over here for spring. That pillow, that long one I got last year from Bed Bath & Beyond, from the Bee and Willow line, if you remember. If you're here from last year, you probably remember that pillow. All right, so let's see what else I picked up. So I picked up this little planter. So I put my fiddle leaf tree in. I think it looks cute over there. Okay. Okay, and I picked up this basket. As you can see, I'm into like the baskets a lot right now. So I'm gonna show you the baskets, basically what I picked. So I like this. This can be a planter, you know, if you put the protection in there. And I think this would be nice even for like a garbage can, like in the bathroom. You know, you can even put it like those clear plastic to protect it. Those clear plastic garbage cans, the cheap ones, in there and to protect it. I like that. I might put that in my bathroom. I'm not sure, but I think it looks cute right here at this table. All right, so I picked up this tray, which I love. It kind of goes with that other little basket I just showed you. And this I picked up from Target too. I think it looks really pretty in here. All right, let's see what other basket. Okay, here's another planter that I picked up, and I picked up another fiddle leaf tree. This planter is from Opal House. I just love it. So I think it looks really pretty over here by my fireplace. Okay, what else? Oh, up here. Okay, this little woven basket, it has a little lid. That's from, that is from Hearth and Hand. So I just took the lid off and I put a plant in here. This plant is, I got this many years ago from Hobby Lobby, which looks pretty real. So I put it in here. I kept the lid over there. This is the smaller size, which I think it's really the bath collection, you know, that you could put cotton balls or Q-tips and stuff like that. But I used it on my mantle. I put my plant in there, and I think it looks like a pretty basket for a plant. I'm going to show you the other one too. That one's the bigger one. So this is the bigger version. So I did the same thing with this. So if I just get tired of it and I don't want it as a basket, you know, as a planter basket, you know, I could just put it in my bedroom, my bathroom, or whatever. But I stuck a plant in there, and I put it right here in this bookcase. Oh, and this one too. This little plant with the little basket. I'm telling you, Target has a lot of baskets to use for planters. I think I got this too from Target. I'm not sure. I don't remember right now. So, looks cute. I think that's all I got, if I remember. All right, guys. So, thank you for watching. Let me know if you like what I picked, and let me know what you liked in the video, what you would pick to buy from Target. All right. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.